Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you want more bookings? And if you're not answering yes to that, then we need to have a serious talk. After working with the tourism industry for many years, I've written something that I think you will find interesting. So my book, Lookers into Bookers, will help you climb out of the marketing abyss and help you generate those extra bookings and inquiries that you all crave. Now, this isn't just another marketing book. It's a step-by-step guide into transforming your business. Now, the book isn't theory. It is based on a real-life tour operator, and I will show you how I helped them grow their brand and become successful in their niche market. There is no fluff. There is no BS. Just stop relying on wishful thinking and mysterious marketing magic from those gurus who are only really after one thing, and that is to take your money. So if you're looking for a way to grow your business, not just in the short term, but in the long term, grab a copy today in all good bookstores and help turn your own lookers into bookers.